Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Srinidhi. Today I am going to show you how to make bottle gourd halwa, a simple Indian sweet recipe made with bottle gourd, sugar, ghee and kova. It makes a great after meal dessert and can be served warm or chilled. Now let's get started. I am using 1 whole bottle gourd. Now peel it carefully. Next, cut them into small pieces. Remove the seeds and grate them. After grating, squeeze the water and use only the pulp. Next, take the pulp into a cooker. And add sugar. We need to use 3/4 quantity of sugar as the bottle gourd pulp. Mix everything properly. Now put the lid and cook until 1 whistle. After it is done, keep it aside. Next, take a pan and add some ghee. After it melts, add dry fruits. I am using almonds, kismis, watermelon seeds and cashews. Toss in all the dry fruits into the pan. Let them fry for few minutes and keep them aside. Next, add bottle gourd pulp into a pan. And let it fry for a while. Next, add kova. I am using 1 cup of kova. Mix it finely. Let it fry until all the moisture evaporates and becomes thick. Then add the fried dry fruits. Mix everything properly and garnish it with more dry fruits. That's all, our dessert is ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.